Located at the ancient crossroads that link Europe and Asia is Armenia, a country rich in natural resources.
In fact, mineral products account for 60% of Armenia's total exports by value. Lydian International is a gold-focused exploration and development company. In 2005, Lydian's geologists discovered the exciting new Amulsar gold deposit, the first truly significant mineral discovery in Armenia in 20 years. Since discovery, 90,000 meters of drilling have been completed. The deposit still remains open in all directions, increasing the potential for an even greater resource.
Mine construction is due to start in late 2012, with mining expected to commence in late 2014. The mine life is expected to be in excess of 10 years, with the potential for a longer life contingent on new discoveries.
Amulsar will be an open-pit heap leach mine, the first such operation in Armenia. The heap leach pad and gold recovery plant will utilize the latest internationally recognized standards and safe practices. Amulsar's ore contains gold and silver that can be readily extracted with recoveries of up to 85% using heap leach technologies. Lydian aims to develop an exemplary modern mine which will utilize the latest technologies to minimize any environment impact. Once in production, the open pit will only be visible from a few points along the highway to the east. Visibility mitigation measures will include the immediate planting of poplars, birch and other suitable trees as a screening measure at key roadside locations. Guidelines from the World Health Organization were used to assess community noise levels. These were calculated for daytime and nighttime hours using noise levels from blasting and operating equipment. The results met the acceptable noise level criteria for all the surrounding communities.
9 years of historical data collected by the Armenia State Meteorological Department was used to assess potential dust impact on nearby communities.
Generally, dust settles within 100 meters of its point of release, with a small fraction of lighter particles traveling up to 1,000 meters away from their source. Results indicate that it's extremely unlikely that any measurable dust will travel to the villages. To assist with dust control, roads will be sprayed, crushers enclosed in buildings, and the ore conveyor system to the heap leach pad covered. Lydian will also implement a dust management plan as part of its occupational health and safety system.
The heap leach facility is designed to have zero cyanide discharge and will be strictly controlled by adopting the standards of the International Cyanide Management Code, practiced by 106 industry peers worldwide.
Several water monitoring wells surrounding the heap leach will be in effect throughout the life of the mine, with leak detection and control systems in place within and around the pad. A storm pond has been designed to eliminate any possibility of groundwater pollution. Springs 15 kilometers north of the project cannot be affected since they're located on a higher elevation and source their water upstream of Amulsar. Lydian is committed to working closely with its local communities and leaving a positive, sustainable impact on the region. Some of the company's community activities include a medical centre in Gorhaik, which has been supplied with up-to-date technology. Lydian has also provided a natural gas supply to Saravan, while in Gundavaz and Gorhaik, a kindergarten and anniversary hall have been fully renovated. Using international best practices, the mine areas, once ended, will be recontoured, seeded and planted with local vegetation. It's estimated that within 3 to 5 years, the Amulsar site will blend into the surrounding environment. Amulsar will be constructed, operated and managed to all internationally accepted levels of health, safety, community care and environmental stewardship. Once in production, Amulsar will require 300 full-time employees, with the vast majority recruited and trained from nearby communities. Lydian International is certain that the success of the Amulsar Gold Project will provide positive economic and social benefits to local communities and to Armenia.